Hi, today we're going to be talking about how Odyssey Web Sales and Web Activities can be used to make simple transactions on your hospital campus. My name is Gray Bartholomew. I'm the product manager for Odyssey and Odyssey Direct. You've implemented Odyssey at your hospital because you know your employees need a way to quickly and efficiently make purchases, especially for meals, but also other purchases around campus. They can use their ID badge to complete a transaction, be it a sale transaction or even an activity tracking transaction. So as we've mentioned before, you already own Odyssey and you have it implemented. Web Sales and Web Activities are two additional modules that can be added on to Odyssey. These modules give you the ability to complete a transaction using a mobile device or a computer for both a sale transaction and an activity transaction. So what you'll need is the main component you already have, which is Odyssey. You also need some sort of web-enabled device. That can be a laptop computer with a card swipe. It could be a mobile phone, an Android or an iOS device, or a tablet of one of those two operating systems. And then lastly, like I just mentioned a second ago, you can add an additional card swipe to any of those and to complete the transaction faster than you would by typing the ID number in. So basically, anywhere where Wi-Fi is available on your campus and that Wi-Fi can connect back to the Odyssey server, you can roll out one of these two modules, Web Sales or Web Activities, on any device to be able to complete a transaction. Some of the examples of places that these can be used are at a coffee kiosk that has a limited number of items and can't justify a full-fledged point-of-sale device. Another place these can be used is at farmers markets. More and more of our hospital customers are offering weekly farmers markets inside the hospital. If you can provide access to the web sales module to the vendors, they can use their mobile device to complete a payroll deduction transaction or a declining balance transaction right at their table. Another way to use Odyssey, one of these modules, is with activity tracking. Now, this is an example of a yoga class, so this could be one or two or both of those things happening where you're charging for them to come to a yoga class, or if you provide it free to your employees, it would simply track that they came, and you'd be able to get statistics at the end of the month about how many people came, what classes they were attending, and do program management using those. So really, you can do an ID badge transaction anywhere in the hospital with one of these two modules or both modules, Odyssey Web Sales and Odyssey Web Activities. If you have any more questions, feel free to email tothepoint@cboard.com, and you can address it to me if you like, and we'll get you an answer. This has been Gray Bartholomew with another To The Point.